Hello, I'm back again with a little tool update since I got some more tools into my backpack. Little rucksack thing. Can I fucking open this? Oh well, whatever. Let's see. So, I've found the screwdriver for this Ironside kit. Finally. It was hidden in another tool bag's pocket. So, that's good. Then I found my old Felo set screwdrivers. Let's see. They have to be somewhere here. More of them. Well, there should be 25, 10, and 20. No, not 10. 25, 20, and 10. No, 15. Yeah, that's how it should go. And then I found my old Felo posy drive screwdrivers too. It goes from 1 to 2, so that's cool. I don't think there's anything else other than cable ties. That's not that important, but yeah, that's about it for today. And leave a like if you liked, and thank you for watching.